We're trying to solve the equation x squared plus kx plus p equals 0. One of the ways that we solve quadratic equations is by factoring, and we know that something in this form, if it factors, is going to factor in the form x plus one number times x plus another number, and that'll equal 0. It could be minus if these are negative numbers, but we'll write it like this for now. And we know that these two numbers that we're looking for to complete the binomials have to have a sum of k and a product of p. But if p is a prime number, the only way it can be factored over the integers is 1 times p, or -1 times -p. So we know that the factorization is either going to be x plus 1 times x plus p, or x minus 1 times x minus p. Now, if we try to solve each of these equations, we remember that we're told that it has two positive integer solutions, so it can't be the first factorization, because the first factorization has two negative integer solutions. That means it has to be the second one. So the numbers in the factorization are going to be -1 and p. Now let's remind ourselves what we want. The problem asks us to find k plus p, but we know that k was the sum of the two numbers in our factorization. So we know that k is equal to -1 minus p. If we want to figure out what k plus p is, we add p to both sides. That gives us k plus p equals -1 minus p plus p. The negative p and the positive p cancel out on the right, and we end up with k plus p equals -1, which is answer choice B.